Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to discuss an example for equation and also the absolute value inequalities. So kindly refers to the question A, solve the equation given. So my suggestion will be simplify the situation in the base 2. So for the 4, we can simplify as 2 to the power of 2 bracket, then we have the 2x. Multiply, we have 2 to the power of 3 bracket, we have 3x. Over, for the 32, we have 2 to the power of 5 bracket, and then we have 1 minus x equals to 1. We may cross multiply the situation. So in here we have 2 to the power of 4x multiply with 2 to the power of 9x, which is equals to 2 to the power of 5 minus 5x. Focus on the left hand side, we can make use of the rules of indices. 2 to the power of 13x is equals to 2 to the power of 5 minus 5x. Since we have the same base, we can compare the index, where we have 13x equals to 5 minus 5x. So 18x is equals to 5. X is equals to 5 over 18. Kali refers to B. Without squaring the inequalities, solve the situation given. So kindly focus on the situation. We have the n case. Based on the definition, we have the n case. So here we have negative 1, and then we have 4x plus with the 3 over x plus with the 1 less than 1. So based on the definition, we have the n case. 4x plus with the 3 over x plus with the 1. So here we have less than 1. Here we have greater than negative 1. Kindly split the situation. So here we have 4x plus with the 3 over, we have x plus with the 6 less than 1. N case, we have 4x plus with the 3 over x plus with the 6 greater than negative 1. Focus on the left hand side, we have the inequalities. So we have the 4x plus with the 3 minus multiply with the denominator, or we can say equal the denominator. So we will have this form. So notice that we have 4x minus x, we have 3x, and then 3 minus the 6, we have negative 3 over x plus with the 6. So here we have the simplest form, or we can rewrite 3 bracket x minus 1 over x plus with the 6 less than 0. So determine the sign, we have the negative sign. Then x greater than 1, x greater than negative 6, because we assume always positive. Illustrate the situation in the real number line, we have negative 6 and also the 1. So here we have the negative, negative, negative. So here we have the positive, negative, and then the positive. The sign that we want would be the negative sign. So we have negative 6 until 1, where the negative 6 and 1 is not included. Next, focus on the right hand side. We have the 4x plus with the 3 plus bracket x plus with the 6. So rearrange at the same time, we equal the denominator. So here we have 5x and then plus with the 9 over x plus with the 6. So here we have the simplest form. Then next is to determine the sign. So x is greater than negative 9 over 5. X is greater than negative 6. Number line, we have negative 6, negative 9 over 5. So empty circle towards the right, empty circle towards the right, negative. So we have positive, negative, and positive. So in here we have the positive. Then we can have negative infinity until negative 6, where the negative 6 is not included. Negative 9 over the 5 until infinity. Next is to combine them and then make use of the operation n. So real number line, illustrate the number negative 6, followed by we have negative 9 over the 5 and also the 1. Focus on the left hand side, we have the negative 6 until the 1. Second part, blue in color, we have the negative 6 and then we have the negative 9 over the 5. So for the n case, we have to find the intersection between the two intervals, and here will be the answer. So the answer for the situation would be x such that we have x is greater than negative 9 over the 5 and less than the 1. So that would be the set solution. Next, refers to the question, Hence, obtain the solution if we have the modulus of 4x plus 3 over the x plus 6 is greater and equals to 1. So for this case, we have less than 1. So that would be the answer. For the another part, means that outside the green in color, so that will be the answer for this second part. So the answer would be x such that we have x less than negative 6. Included? Not included, because x plus 6 is in the denominator, so x cannot be equals to negative 6. Or, continue, x is greater than negative 6, less than and equals to negative 9 over the 5. Or, we have the situation, x is greater and equals to 1. So that will be the answer for the second part, or the solution set for the situation greater and equals to 1. If you are new here, kindly consider subscribing to this channel and share this video to your friend. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye.